Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, after almost 2,000 workers at the National Water Commission stayed off the job on Thursday, normality has now been restored to the entity. A wage agreement was finalized this afternoon during a meeting at the Finance Ministry involving trade unions and the management of the NWC. Now, the workers were upset because wage negotiations have been dragging on for years.
Workers at the National Water Commission withdrew their services on Thursday, a protest for better wages and fringe benefits. It's the last thing people wanted to hear in a time when the island is battling a water shortage. But after a meeting between the workers' trade unions and the management of the NWC at the Finance Ministry today, redress.
We had some meaningful discussions and we arrived at a position where the workers will see a movement in basic pay and one that is pleasing to us. We don't want to say everything about it because we have not in the document as yet. The workers will also accept, based on that agreement, that they will accept the $40,000 one-half payment.
Wage and fringe benefit negotiations for workers of the NWC have been going on for almost 3 years. And after all those years,
we are quite pleased as negotiators, trade unionists, where we're at. And we thank the Minister himself of Finance who intervened. And we must thank the Minister of Labour who immediately as she returned to the country, she got involved and assisted the process tremendously. The workers, whilst they are not totally happy, they are in a much better position.
According to Mr. Valentine, workers are expected to resume duties between Friday and Monday. He also explained that another meeting is scheduled at the Labour Ministry during which the documentation will be finalized. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.